Good morning, students. Welcome for today's class of Science of 7th class. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine. Today is Monday and we are reaching after 3 days. We are meeting, beta. I hope you all have studied the whole chapter and revised it. Even I hope that you have tried the questions of section A and section B. Let's discuss these questions of chapter 5, exercise section A. First is oral questions. What is an acid? Name any two acids. The answer is an acid is any hydrogen containing substance that is capable of donating a proton, that is hydrogen ions, to another substance. Or we can say acidic substances are usually identified by their sour taste. Through this question, it is very much clear that when the acids are the hydrogen containing substances, see, when these are the hydrogen containing substance and it is capable of donating a proton, that means it is of positive ions, and when they can donate this to another substance, then it is acid. Acid substances are usually sour in taste. That means they are sour in taste. We have done many examples. I can say example, lemon juice you can take if it is asked. Okay. Natural indicators are turmeric, litmus. Even we have done China rose also. This is the second question. Name any two natural indicators. Only two are asked. That's why I have written two only, beta, turmeric and litmus. You can learn or write China rose as an indicator also. Next question is two human-made indicators. Two human-made indicators are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. They are prepared in the laboratories. That's why they are called human-made indicators. Next question is, it is a worksheet. It is in the book. You have to correct the option, tick the correct option. The substances which turns blue litmus red is acidic. Of course, when it is changes to red, that means it is acid. You have to write this acidic over here. Which is of the following is a property of an acid? Means acid has the property of sour taste, so it is sour taste. Is the right option. Milk of magnesia contains. It is an antacid bitter and it is made up of magnesium. So you have to write in this blank magnesium hydroxide. Manure is added when the soil is too basic. You have to write here basic. Manure is added when the soil is too basic. Circle the odd one. Lemon juice, curd, tamarind, amla. In this question, beta, amla is having only bitter taste. Others are having sour taste. All these three are having sour taste. Okay. Sulfuric acid, nitric acid, lactic acid, hydrochloric acid. All these three are mineral acids. But only one, this is organic acid. Okay, next, turmeric turns red in the basic solution. Of course, when you rub soap in it, it turns to red, and soap is in basic solution. Mineral acids are very corrosive in nature. They are very strong, dangerous, but they are corrosive in nature. Phenolphthalein is a human-made indicator because it is prepared in laboratories. Basic solutions turns pink China rose indicator to green. This activity you have done at your home also. So next section B, multiple choice questions. Baking soda solution turns pink China rose litmus indicator green. It is dash solution. Which type of solution then it is? It is a basic solution. A substance is sour in taste, not soapy to touch, and has no effect on yellow turmeric solution. That means all these symptoms show that the solution is acidic in nature. So it will affect dash litmus paper. It will affect a blue litmus paper. You can write here blue litmus paper turns to red. Okay, an acid reacts with the base to produce salt and water, not alone salt, salt and water. This page we have done. Next we are going to come on very short answer questions. Name any two acid and bases. Any two and acid base you can write. Any two acid and bases you can write, beta, in this section. Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, HNO3. Bases, any two bases you can write. They are sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. This is CaOH whole twice. Next question is, how does litmus indicator work? How a litmus indicator work? You can write it with the example of solution also, and you can write with the example of paper also. All the results are the same, beta. So I have done with the thin paper that was very easily available in our laboratories. Litmus is available in the form of thin paper strips. When blue litmus paper is dipped in acid, it turns to red. When red litmus paper is dipped in base, it turns to blue. This is the activity we will do in our laboratories. Okay. Next is, which acid is produced in our stomach? As we have done this question in chapter 2 also, hydrochloric acid is produced in our stomach. Next question is, short answer type 1 questions. Why do curd, lemon juices and tamarind taste sour? Curd, lemon juice and tamarind, these substances taste sour because they contain acids. They contain acid in it, beta. That's why they are taste as a sour. What happens in the stomach when we eat very spicy food? When we eat very spicy food, level of hydrochloric acid increases in our stomach, which leads to the acidity. It is painful and cause stomach ulcers if they are not cured at the time. So, when you eat the spicy food, or you get the marketed food which is very spicy, that is not according to your taste, and that will increases the hydrochloric acid which is already present in our stomach, and it will increases up to the excess level, and that leads to acidity. And if acidity is there, indigestion will be there. If indigestion will be there, it is very painful for our stomach. So if it remains for a long time and it would not cured at a time, definitely we can suffer from, or it causes from, stomach ulcers. Next question is, what is an antacid tablet when taken when you suffer from acidity? Antacid tablets helps to neutralize the effect of excessive acid. It gives relief to the person suffering from acidity. You can write down the antacid example also: milk of magnesia, and antacid tablets are used to decreases the level of acidity because they neutralize the effect of HCl that is exceeded due to your because you have eaten the very spicy food, and it can be decreased by using antacids, beta. So this we have done till here, section C. On the next class we are going to start section D. Do these question answers nicely in your notebook without scribbling, and please do it on the time. Thank you, beta. Have a nice day.